Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Edu Information Knowledge is Life. In previous video we have seen Bresenham's line drawing algorithm, how it is going to be performed. I will share the link of the same in description box. In this video we will see an example of Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. So let's start with our example. So here is an example. Calculate the points between starting coordinates 9, 18 and ending coordinates 14, 22. So in this example we are having given part as the starting coordinates x0, y0, which is 9 and 18, ending coordinates x and yn, which is 14 and 22. So as per the algorithm, we are going to perform steps one by one. So step 1 is calculating differential of x and differential of y. Differential of x can be calculated with xn minus x0, which is 14 minus 9. So the differential of x will be 5. And the differential of y is yn minus y0, which is 22 minus 18. So differential of y will be 4. These xn, x0, yn, y0 are the values which are taken from this given section. Step 2, which is used to calculate decision parameters. So decision parameter is calculated with the help of formula pk, which is pk is equal to 2 into differential of y minus differential of x. So differential 2 into 4 minus 5. So differential of x and differential of y are the values which are taken from step 1. So the pk or initial decision parameter is equal to 3. In step 3 we are going to find out, using that decision parameter, which case is to be satisfied. As the pk is equal to 3, so it is greater than equal to 0, case 2 is satisfied. We need to draw a table in which we are having 4 columns pk, pk plus 1, xk plus 1 and yk plus 1. Initial points we need to write down here 9 and 18. So the first iteration will be, as it is satisfying case 2, we need to calculate by using case 2 equations. pk is equal to pk plus 2 into differential of y minus 2 into differential of x. By putting all these values, we will be having pk plus 1 will be 1, and now xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus 1 is equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10, and yk plus 1 is equal to yk plus 1 is equal to 18 plus 1 equal to 90. This is the first iteration. We need to place all these values in our table. So xk plus 1 will be placed here, yk plus 1 19 placed here, and pk plus 1, which is 1, placed here. And this is the decision parameter we have calculated from this location, that is step 2. Now for second iteration, we are having pk is equal to 1. This is taken from first iteration, which is greater than equal to 0. So case 2 will be satisfied. So all the calculation we have to do it again as per the case 2 equation, and from that we will be having pk is equal to minus 1 and xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus 1, 11 and 20 respectively. Now in third iteration we will be having pk plus 1 is equal to minus 1. This value we have taken from previous iteration, that is second one. Now it is less than 0, so case 1 will be satisfied. So for next decision parameter we have to use the formula pk plus 1 is equal to pk plus 2 into differential of y. By putting all the values we will be having 7 for decision parameter, xk plus 1 is equal to 11 plus 1 is equal to 12, and yk value will remain same. So the yk plus 1 will be 20. We will place all these value in our table. Now fourth iteration, pk is equal to 7, which is greater than equal to 0. So case 2 is satisfied. as per the case 2 equation values are placed. So the pk plus 1 is equal to 7 plus 2 into 4 minus 2 into 5. So pk plus 1 will be 5 and xk plus 1 will be 12 plus 1 equal to 13 and yk plus 1 will be 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. So place this value in our table. So the fourth iteration is over. Now on the basis of that decision parameter obtained in fourth iteration, it will be satisfying case 2. So the pk plus 1 is equal to pk plus 2 into differential of y minus 2 into differential of x equal to 5 plus 2 into 4 minus 2 into 5. 3 will be our next differential parameter value and xk plus 1 is equal to xk plus 1 is equal to 13 plus 1 is equal to 14 and yk plus 1 is equal to yk plus 1, that is 21 plus 2 is equal to 22. That is the end point we have achieved. I hope you understood this example. Thank you so much.